Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious toast with spinach, onions, and cheese that everyone will enjoy. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our toast, we're going to need an onion chopped up. So let's get this other stuff out of our way here for a minute. And we'll just chop this up. Maybe, there you go, 3 or 4 slices. Chop it up fairly fine. You know, like little chunks. Now this is a small yellow onion. Sometimes these onions can be a little warm, but when you cook them, they're pretty good. All right, let's put that in a bowl. Where'd that piece go? Oh yeah, there he is. I don't know how they get away from me though, but they do. Now we just cut up some green onion. This always makes everything taste good, actually. Like I said before, it does make it look pretty, but this adds some good flavor. Okay, put them in a bowl. Hey, there goes one. They always fly around. I don't know where they go sometimes, though. Sometimes I find them later. Next, we're going to cut up some spinach leaves. We'll just chop them up. Leave some big chunks. That's good. Now we need a bowl. They always add nice color, and I like the taste of them. Yeah, it looks like we're done chopping up our vegetables. Now all we need to do is start to cook. Set our burner to medium-low. Add a little bit of oil to the pan. Spread that around. Let's get our bread. And we'll make like a little pocket. Push down. Now we'll crack an egg in there. Just what we want. We want it broken up. Okay. Now you can spread some of this white over on the bread. Add some onions. Chopped onions. Add some green onions. Add some spinach. And there you go. Now we'll cover that and let that cook a little bit. All right, let's give it a check. See if we can flip it. We'll cover it and let it cook a little bit there. Okay, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, it looks pretty. Beautiful. Let's get a couple of these onions out of here. We'll put them right on top. There you go. Now we're going to add some cheese. We'll just put a piece of like American cheese on here. Now you could use grated cheese, but I'm going with just something you might have in your cupboard. Just like that. And we'll just cover that and let that melt. Alright, let's see if the cheese melted. Oh yeah. Right? Now we can put a little salt and pepper on there. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And we'll plate that up. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Bet you that's tasty. And there you have it. A delicious toast with spinach, onions, and cheese. And I know everybody will like that. And it's really good for you too. Got protein in there and everything. Okay. Yeah, and clean up the breeze. Just put a little bit of oil in the pan while it's hot and just wipe it out. Just like that. Simple as that. And you're ready for next time. Alright, let's cut into that. See how it is. And there you have it. A beautiful, delicious toast with spinach, onions, and cheese. And that is going to be tasty. Yeah, I'm going to have a little bite in a second here. Alright, let's try a little bite. Oh yeah. It's like I could eat these all day.